Hey everyone, I'm diving into the heart of Zimbabwe's political scene today, where a dinner at the State House is sparking conversations and controversies. Let's peel back the layers of this high-stakes gathering. Just last week, Zimbabwe's First Lady, Auxillia Mnangagwa, hosted an unprecedented dinner for female legislators from across the political spectrum. But this was no ordinary social affair. At the core, this event was a strategic play, aimed at strengthening her position as a pivotal ambassador for women, while simultaneously backing her husband, President Emmerson Mnangagwa's ambition to extend his rule beyond the 2028 term limits. Now, the scene at the State House was one of unity and shared goals, at least on the surface. The First Lady described the dinner as a rare show of political maturity, a statement that resonated with many. But behind the clinks of dinnerware and the polite applause, there was a much deeper narrative unfolding. Sources reveal that this gathering was part of a broader strategy. The discussions and agreements at this dinner were not just about fostering women's leadership, but were intricately tied to the Mnangagwa's personal political ambitions. By positioning Auxillia as a champion for women's issues, they are weaving her influence into the very fabric of Zimbabwe's governance. But let's not overlook the significance of the timing and the guests. Attending were members from both ZANU-PF and CCC, parties that are typically at odds. Their presence and their pledges of loyalty at this dinner hint at potential shifts in the political landscape of Zimbabwe. This isn't just about camaraderie, it's about consolidating power. Critics argue that such moves could blur the lines between national interests and personal power agendas. They fear that these political maneuvers could reshape Zimbabwe's political scene in ways that might not align with democratic principles. So, what does this mean for the future of Zimbabwe? It's a question of balance. On one hand, enhancing women's representation in politics is a commendable goal. On the other, the intertwining of personal ambitions with national strategies raises concerns that merit serious contemplation. As we watch these developments unfold, one thing is clear. The dinner at the State House was more than a meal. It was a calculated step in a much larger strategy, one that could redefine power dynamics in Zimbabwe for years to come. Thanks for tuning in. Stay informed, stay engaged, and I'll catch you in the next video where we decode more political maneuvers. Until then, keep questioning, keep learning.